power transformers. Presentation. Power transformer definition. A power transformer is a static machine used for transforming power from one circuit to another without changing the frequency. As there are no rotating or moving parts, a transformer is classified as a static device. The transformer operates on an AC supply. Transformers operate based on the principle of mutual induction. The advantages of power transformers. The working principle and construction are simple. Stepping up, down voltage and current, isolation and efficiency, transmitting and distributing power, cost effectiveness, various types and applications. There are no moving parts and no waiting time. Reverse connected. Use of power transformers. It is very cost effective to generate electrical power at a low voltage level. Theoretically, this low voltage level power can be transmitted to the receiving end. This low voltage power transmission results in increased line current, which leads to increased line losses. But if the voltage level of a power source is increased, the current of that power is reduced, which causes a reduction in ohmic or I2R losses in the system. It also reduces the cross-sectional area of the conductor, that is, the capital cost of the system, and it also improves the voltage regulation of the system. Because of these, low-level power must be stepped up for efficient electrical power transmission. The types of transformers are as follows. Step-up and step-down transformers, three-phase transformer and a single-phase transformer, electrical power transformers, distribution transformers, and instrument transformers, two-waving transformer and auto transformer, outdoor transformers and indoor transformers, oil-cooled and dry-type transformers. Medium oil-free power transformer. These have been well formed and optimized for high performance, and can run on various applications to provide maximum power to the clients. The AG10 alternator line provides a good cost benefit, a simple to maintain concept, and excellent results when operating in continuous, prime power, or standby mode. High oil-free power transformer. Large power transformers are designed to ensure high performance in a variety of applications and market segments, meeting the specific needs of power companies and the industry in general. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay. Taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors. Evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.